See Standard 10th Maths Relations and Functions Chapter 1. One more questions we are going to see. It is exercise 1.6. First sum. If n of a cross b is equal to 6 and the set A contains the element 1, 3, then what is n of b? Options are given. See, n of a cross b is equal to 6. And also given we need only the number of elements in A. Number of elements in A is 2. So n of A cross B is equal to n of A cross n of B. It's the formula. The answer is 6. But n of A is 2 given. You have to find n of B. This is equal to 6. So n of B is equal to 6 by 2. Answer is 3. See option C. Option C. Second sum. Set A is A, B, P, B is 2, 3 and C is P, Q, R, S. Then n of A union C cross B. Find the number of elements in A union C and B. We know the elements of B, but A union C you have to find. So what is A union C? A union C is collection of elements from A and B. So from A, B, P. From C, P is repeated already here. So write Q, R, S. So n of A union C is 6 elements and n of B is here they given 2 elements. So n of A union C cross B, that is n of A union C cross n of B, that is 6 into 2. 6 2s are, n of A union C contains 6 elements and B has 2 elements. 6 2s are 12. So 12 is in option C. Next is third sum. A is set 1, 2, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, C is 5, 6, D is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then state which of the following statement is true. See, the sets are given, but you have to combine the cross product of the sets. So you take that first option. Let me check the first option. The A cross C is subset of B cross D. See, so first set element should be contained in here in the first set B. So A is contained in B. Just see whether A is contained in B. Yes, 1, 2 is here, 1, 2 is in B. Next you take the second set C is contained in D. So C has 5, 6. So it is in D. So therefore, the first sets A cross C must be contained in the sets B cross D. Since the first sets contained subset of the second one, then C is a subset of D. Therefore, A cross C must be the subset of B cross D. Option A itself is true. So you need not try for the next option. So it is option A. Next sum. If there are 1024 relations from a set A to a set B, then the number of elements in B. So there are 1024 relations. There are 1024 order pairs from the set A to B we have. So let me write this as the power of 2. If you divide this 1024 by 2, just it goes on, you will get 2 power 10. Again you divide by 2, you will get 2 power 10. So this 2 power 10 contains that element of A cross element of B. Element of B. So n of A into n of B is equal to 10. So n of A they given us 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. But n of B we have to find is equal to 10. So n of B is equal to 10 by 5. This is equal to 2. So number of elements in B is 2. So you have options in your book. Option, see, it is option B. Option B. See the next sum. The range of the relation R is set of all order pairs x, x squared. X is a prime number less than 13. Is option A, option B, option C, option D is given. See the range of the relation. So here it is in the order pair x, x squared. X, x squared. So x is the element in the domain and x squared is the element from the range. So first you collect the elements from the domain. So domain is here. X is a prime number less than 13. Less than 13. That is prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next number is 13, but you should not write. So this is domain elements. But you have to find the range, set of range elements. So the range is equal to square. Square these numbers 4, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 11 squared is 121. So this is the set C, 4, 9, 25, 49, option C. See sixth sum. If the order pairs A plus 2, 4 and 5, 2A plus B are equal, then AB is. See these two order pairs are equal. So A plus 2, 4 is equal to 5, 2A plus B. These two order pairs are equal mean corresponding first elements is equal to 5. The second element it is 4. Here it is 2A plus B. These two elements are equal. Then you have to find order pair A, B. So from this I am getting A is 5 minus 2. This is 3. So 4. Substitute A as 3 into 3 plus B. So 2 3s are 6. You bring here minus 6 is equal to B. So minus 2 is equal to B. So order pair A, B. A, B. What is A? A is 3. B is minus 2. The option D. Option D. Seventh sum. Let n of A equal to m and n of B equal to n. Then the total number of non-empty relations that can be defined from A to B. See actually the total number of non-empty relation is given in the formula 2 power. That is a relation total number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 to the power of mn. 2 to the power of mn. Because the set A has m elements and the set B has n elements. So 2 to the power of mn. But they given non-empty relation. So number of non-empty relations is equal to 2 to the power of mn minus 1. You have to subtract 1. So that gives you the non-empty relations. Option C. Option C. Eighth sum. If A 8 and then 6b represents an identity function. Then the value of a and b. See, identity function. What is an identity function? F of x is equal to x. The element is mapped on to the element from the domain is mapped on to the same element to the codomain. X is related to x itself. So here A8 is given order pair. So A is also 8, 8 comma 8. And then given 6 comma B, 6 comma B. That is 6 comma 6. It is an identity elements. So what is the question? What is the value of A and B? So here A is 8 and B is 6. So option A, 8 comma 6. So A comma 6, B is equal to A is 8, B is 6. Next question. Let A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 4, 8, 9, 10. So function f is from A to B given by f is 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 10. Is you have to define this function. See, it is from A to B. See, now first find the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. A has 4 elements and B also 4 elements. See, look at the order pairs. All the elements from the set A must be in the order pair, first element. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And see here it should be B also must be as the second element. 4, 8, 9, 10. So each element has images in the codomain. So it is an one-to-one function. And also here one-to-one function. It is enough. So A is one-to-one function. F is one-to-one function. Option C. See the next question. If f of x is 2x squared and g of x is 1 by 3x, then f dot g. So you have to find f dot g of x. That is f of g of x. So f of g of x is 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x. So f of x, this is f of x. F of x is 2x squared. So 2 into x squared is 1 by 3x the whole square. So 2 into 1 by 3 squared is 9x squared. So 2 by 9x squared. This is the answer, f dot g of x. See the next question. See the 11th sum. If f is from A to B is a bijective function, and if n of b is equal to 7, then n of a is equal to, it's given bijective function. That means it is an one-to-one onto function. One-to-one onto function. One-to-one function, each element in the domain A has distinct images in the codomain B. So it's given n of b is equal to 7 means so that n of a must be also 7. N of a must be also 7. It is also onto function. So no remaining elements in the set B. Therefore, all the elements in A mapped on to distinct elements in B and no elements remaining in the set codomain. That is range. Range of the function is same as the set B. Therefore, n of b and n of a are same. N of b and n of a are same. That is equal to number of elements is 7. Option A. Option A. Next is, if f and g are be two functions given by f is 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 4, 4, 2, 5, 7 and g is 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 4, minus 4, 2, 7, 0. Then the range of f. Here they given the function f and function d. You have to find f dot g. F dot g. So you take the elements from the set G. So first element 0 I take. First element, you have to take the first element from the order pair of G. F dot G of 0, that is F of G of 0. F of G of 0 is equal to G of 0 is equal to 2. So that is F of 2. So what is F of 2? F of 2 is 0. So the answer is here 0. Then F dot G of next element is 1 of 1, that is F of G of 1. G of 1 is 0. F of 0. So what is F of 0? F of 0 is 1. Then F dot G of 2. So F of G of 2. G of 2. G of 2 is 4. 4 goes to 2. So here G of 2 is 4. So F of 4. This F of 4 value is 2. And then you find minus 4. F dot G of minus 4. That is F of G of minus 4, answer is 2. 2. So what is F of 2? F of 2 is 0. 0. Then last element F dot G of 7. 7. So what is G of 7? G of 7 is 0. So what is F of 0? F of 0 is 1. So 1. Now you collect all the answers in F dot G. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1 is here repeated. So this is called the range of F dot G. Range of F dot G. Range of F dot G is equal to 0, 1, 2. So this is option D. Option. See question number 13. F of x is given as root of 1 plus x squared. Then f of xy is f of x dot f of y. F of xy is greater than or equal to f of x dot f of y. F of xy is less than or equal to f of dot x f of y. So given f of x is equal to root of 1 plus x squared. We have to consider all that f of xy. So what is f of xy? F of xy is root of 1 plus, replace x as xy the whole squared, root of 1 plus x squared y squared. You look at the right side. It has f of x and f of into f of y. So root of 1 plus x squared into root of 1 plus y squared. That is root of 1 plus x squared, 1 plus y squared. So root of 1 ones are 1. 1 into x squared is x squared. 1 into y squared is y squared. Then x squared, y squared. So look at the left side and right side from 1 and 2. Which expression contains more terms? This f of x into f of y. This equation 2 contains more terms. That is f of x dot f of y. So this is f of x comma y, xy. So f of xy is less than or equal to. Sometimes it may be also equal to. So f of xy is less than or equal to f of x dot f of y. This is option C. Option C. See the 14th question. G is a function given as 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7 is a function given by g of x is equal to alpha x plus beta. Then the values of alpha and beta you have to find. See here, g of 1, if I replace x as 1, I replace x as 1. Alpha into 1 is alpha plus beta. So the answer is 1. 1 comma 1. Take the second order pair 2, 3. If I replace x as 2, that is 2 alpha plus beta is equal to, the answer is 3 they given. So only two variables you have to find. So two equation enough. So subtract these two equation 1 and equation 2. Change the sign, minus, minus, minus. Alpha minus 2 alpha minus alpha. My beta minus beta cancel. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So alpha equal to 2. Substitute, see alpha, first equation, alpha plus beta equal to 1. Substitute alpha as 2, 2 plus beta equal to 1. Beta equal to 1 minus 2, beta equal to minus 1. So alpha is 2 and beta is minus 1. This is our option B. Option B. See the 15th question. F of x is x plus 1 the whole cube minus x minus 1 the whole cube respectively. Represents a function which is linear, cubic, reciprocal or quadratic. You can choose any one of the option. So the function is given as x plus 1 the whole cube minus x minus 1 the whole cube. Just you expand this. First identity is x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 cube is 1 minus x cube, then x cube plus minus 3x squared identity plus 3x minus 1. Remove the minus sign, x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 minus x cube, minus into minus plus 3x squared minus 3x plus 1. So x cube cancel, plus 3x minus 3x cancel. 6x squared plus 6x squared. The 3x squared is 6x squared. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the expression of degree 2. So it is a quadratic equation, option D. Option D. So with that, all the 1 mark question from the chapter 1 is over. So please revise. Thank you.